Welcome back to Durango Electro-Culture. We had a really good day today. Let's show you all about it. Peppers didn't germinate so well. Tomatoes very well. What do? Go to the store, buy some more. Time to plant. Look at that, easy digging here. Looking good so far. Do a little furrow. Do a little planting. Set them in. Everybody's happy. Now it's time to install the lattice and plant cucumbers. All right, making a simple X lattice. Finish it off with twine later. And the cukes, they have wonderful roots even though the first true leaves are just peeking out. You know the act. The ether is collected by the antenna. It's grounded here. And here we have the engine, which we're going to boost the power. I did an experiment with my marshmallow. Grew 4 inches in 4 days. Used a simple electromagnetic engine with a mercury switch. And that's what we're going with. Let's get started.
Now we're going to have to solder this together. A little flux over here, a little flux over here. 1 millimeter solder. The gun on, lights, cameras, action. And roll them here. Doesn't take much. There we go. And then over here. Doesn't take much. Oh, a little more there. There we go. Now we.
How this works, we have the south, north, south, north, and an opposing field with a wire wrap and a mercury switch, creating a low voltage. And low voltage is good voltage. Just a quick run around. We got the Monarda, lavender, thyme, catnip, a couple of beefsteaks in the back there, and then all my little babies still coming up wanting to go in the ground, and then of course the peas coming up. Cukes we just planted with the peppers coming around. We got the rugosa, Italian oregano, comfrey, a single little zucchini, the marshmallow of course, and another little zucchini. We're all set up and ready to go. We can plant and get on with it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.